Hi there, my name's Joe Little. You may recognize me from such stellar productions as 10 News at 5, 10 News at 6, and 10 News at 7. You may not know that I have a massive collection of bobbleheads. Yes, more than 280 of them. Sad, I know, which is why I need your help. I need you to take these things off my hands. They make great gifts, desk decorations, or earthquake detectors. I'll make you a deal on any of them. I have Star Wars bobbleheads, Kermit playing catcher for the Dodgers, Mark Loretta and Emmett Smith. I have King Stallman, 2 Geico geckos, and the Keebler elf. There's dead presidents, Mr. T and Karl Malone, the Exorcist chick, and Saddam Hussein with a missile in his butt. There's Star Trek, Transformers, and Wolverine, Spider-Man, Captain America, and Santa 3PO, Homer and Duffman, Jesus, Obama, and Hillary. I even have a Care Bear, the grumpy one. Any of them could be yours, just don't collect too many of them. They'll make you look like a douche. Thanks.